What's up guys, I'm the East Coaster fan and welcome to another Wave Twister update. I decided to make a quick stop here at Adventureland today to see if anything's being worked on or if anything new was here, and I found a few things that I'd like to point out. So since my first initial construction update video, Adventureland actually posted some images from inside of the park that we hadn't seen before. However, those pictures were actually taken before my first initial construction update video. As you can see, one of the pictures even has like snow on the ground, and we haven't had snow like that since I believe December. So that was probably taken in 2024, and there's still work being done right now. As you saw in the last update video, the footers have been installed and are pretty much the same as what was there before. But in the corner, there's actually construction crews working on something. I don't really know what, I'll be honest. But before we do that, I do want to get a clearer picture of the footers, since last time we were kind of looking through the trees and I want to see if I could get a better look. So once again, this construction update is taken outside of the park. At no point am I going to be entering the premises, but there are some openings in the fence that I'm going to try and get a good look for you guys. So there you go. That is the two end footers right here by the parking lot. And this is the furthest that Wave Twister is going to go in this direction. You can actually see too that there's a bit of parking lot here. And with this fence extending out into the parking lot, it seems that some parking spots are going to be missing come the start of the 2025 season. To be fair, these spots were very rarely used, only on like the busiest of days. So I don't think it's too big of a loss. So yeah, over there in that corner, they're working on something. It's either like a canopy, a roof, or something. It could even be the tunnel that's gonna be for the train. It's kind of weird, and I'll be honest, I don't want to go too close to them because they're working and, you know, don't want to distract them from their job. But it's an interesting development here that I'll definitely keep track of during the rest of this month. But as you saw in the title, there is one big thing that I saw and that I'm going to point out as the final part of this construction update, and that is that pieces have arrived and are in the parking lot. So once again, here's the exit of Adventureland, and you can see those green pieces right there. I believe those are going to be the supports for Wave Twister. So they're kind of just sitting in this back portion of the parking lot here, and hopefully soon they'll be installed where those footers are. That's an interesting development for Wave Twister, and one I'm really excited to see get into motion. So with that being said, that's all for this quick construction update video. If there's something particular that you want me to point out for future updates, let me know in the comments below. And again, I'll be here at least one more time to update you on Wave Twister, and I'm really excited to see those supports go up in place, as this is a really exciting project, I think, for Adventureland, even though it is kind of a weird ride. But anyway, thank you all so much for joining me on this construction update, and I think I'm tired, so I'm gonna head back home.